I have Leviton 16400 wall-mounted controller W/16450 keypad. It is 4 buttons, no dimmer, ivory. Where do I get replacement parts?
If you go to http://www.levitonproducts.com, you can type in 16400, and you will see that your controller has been discontinued. It will offer up several other alternative devices you can choose from that might work. Also at Leviton.com, the website shows that Home Depot carry Leviton devices. You might get lucky at a location and find one in a parts bin, but I would not count on that being likely.
Home Depot did not work out. When I went to the Leviton website, it gave me 8 different suggestions. How do I know which one is the one I need?
Hello, the 16400 series of the Leviton DHC devices has been discontinued, but luckily it is a backwards compatible and also compatible with multiple other vendors' equipment. You will be looking for the Leviton HC series devices which will work with U16400 transmitter. The 6291 and 6293 series are still compatible with the 16400 and the HC series. Now here is the good part, these are based on the X10 platform. If you check the internet for X10, you will find devices that to the naked eye look to be exactly the same as the Leviton, and they will work. Plus, they are considerably cheaper. I just checked and homecontrols.com has your item, the 16400, in stock. http://www.homecontrols.com/. By the way, I did want to point out that technically you have 2 items. You have the 16400, which is the base, and then you have the 16450i, which is your 4-button faceplate. Typically the faceplate does not go bad as it only contains snap switches. The 16400 is quite susceptible to surges, and that may be where your problem lies.
I went to the Home Control website. The one I need is out of stock. The one they have available is not compatible with the Leviton 16400 series according to their website. So that won't help.
Okay, you will be looking for a HXC4D1TW. If you want to make it ivory, you will need the color change kit DRK4D00i. I do not know what part of the US you are in, but this is a common stock item for Graybar supply. If you go to Graybar, http://www.graybar.com/locations and input your zip code, you will find a local supplier. Graybar typically sells to contractors, but if you happen to have one near you, they will not turn you down. If you do not have one near you, give them a call and ask for sales. They will typically do a cash or credit card sale if they have the item in their stock.
Will this new transmitter work with the existing receiver, or will I need to get a new receiver? I'm hoping not to replace the receiver because it is 15 feet from the floor.
Yes, it should work fine, so you would not have to replace the receiver. Rich Speaker gave you some good information. Graybar is a good supplier with good support team too. Thank you, David.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.